gonna give this palette another try, Pretty Grunge, and this is the shade. I have another video on this, which I felt like there were too many purples, but I'm gonna give it another try. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna use this one, that one, and this one over here. I'm gonna build a look around those ones, and first I'm going to apply the eyeshadow base, and this is P. Louise. It's the one I use all the time. A very good formula. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with Fearless, this one right here, and it does look like a bit of a, let me see. Okay, I'm gonna okay, so the brushes I always use are either Huda, which are these. I have several of these, or I'll use Morphe, the Pro Vegan line, and then I have Morphe and Ariel brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with, also in many of my videos I talk about Huda Beauty's Black Friday holiday sale. She has the best ones that I've encountered, and I always talk about the brushes that I pick up on her sales, and the reason I'm talking about it now is because her sale is gonna drop any day. I don't know when. So, oh, okay, so I'm gonna put this over here. Yeah, this is like an eggplant. Now I'm gonna go with Freedom, this one right here, and I'm gonna test what this color is over here. Yeah, I cannot use it. Okay, I'm gonna get Renegade, which is this black one right here. Watch it have purple as well. Yep. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna. So I want to show you, if you have a dark eyeshadow or anything dark, even mascara that you want to take off, this product will do it. And all you need is very little. And it will just melt everything out. Okay, I'm gonna start with Freedom, and then I'm gonna go into Brave. So Freedom is gonna go on all of this. It's a very light purple. Bring it almost all the way to the eyelash to the eyebrow. Okay. Now with a smaller brush, I'm going to go into Brave, which looks to be just slight. This is the one I just applied, and I'm going to go now with this one, which is Brave. I'm going to use that same brush that I was using before. Okay, now I'm going to do a darker shade, and I think I'm going to do Avant-Garde, this one right here, which is a dark with a shimmer. Close to the lash line. Oh, whoa, can you see that fallout? Let me see if I can. Nope, nope, that did not come out. This whole thing is gonna have to be cleaned. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that with on the finger instead and see if it falls. Nope. You cannot